on a very solemn episode of Dread Zone. Everybody dies! Oh, no!
Dallas, you're embarrassing yourself.
Mommy? I don't want to go bye-bye.
Dallas, this is not the time! Oh, baby. You're a baby. Good baby. Really no plan.
Why? Oh, not me! I'm too ready to die!
You won't, Dallas. No, straight on up. Look at you, Klingon galaxy-wide hollow vision. You are a selfish man.
Thank you, Juanita! Your searing dose of verbal abuse was refreshing. I can't even tell you. Ooh, and the whole mommy-baby thing. Sexy. Baby needs a change-in.
Ratchet, you are running out of time. The generators are overloading. Several escape shuttles are leaving the battledome. Keep working, Ratchet.
I suppose since we're all about to perish horribly, I should own up to a few things. First of all, Timmy Aberdeen, I'm the one who set your backpack on fire. I'm sorry you couldn't get it off in time. And Susie Binkleton, I was the one who put the Tyrannoid in your locker. Hey, I heard the therapy is going well, though. Chin up, kid! Finally to you, Juanita, my dear, sweet Juanita. I apologize for the last 6 years of rude jokes, harassing innuendo, and all those friendly little pinches in the elevator. But who are we kidding? You love it!
Ratchet, can you pick up the pace, please? The station is seconds away from exploding. Ratchet. The containment fields are deactivated. The station is no longer on lockdown.
Good. Now get on a shuttle and get out of here.
Sorry, Ratchet. I am not leaving without you.
For the love of blarg, cut out the sappy melodrama before you lose my entire audience. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. I'm gonna give Dreadzone fans the finale they've been waiting for. It's a little one-act play I call Death of the Lombats.
Looks like Fox has some tricks up his sleeve. This is gonna be one heck of a match.
Considering that we die if Team Darkstar loses, that's an understatement.
Understatement, an undergarment, the underworld of professional mustache twirling, whatever it is, it's hot! Folks, I'm gonna break character for just a second and say, watch out! If you don't, we all die!
The only time you're gonna be seen again is in reruns. Ow! That's it. Now I'm fighting dirty. Nobody saw that one coming. It's called a twist. Here's a ratings booster.
Oh, no! This could be disaster for Team Darkstar. I put 500 volts on this match.
Dallas, our lives hang in the balance, and you are gambling?
Oh, don't pretend like you care. You never cared! Oh, there we go! I popped a blood vessel again! Oh, all right, can somebody get me a tissue?
Here's a third act twist. The big bad guy just got bigger. This year on Dreadzone, an audience favorite, the giant mech climactic battle.
I can't look! Is Team Darkstar dead? Dallas, what's happening? Dallas, what are you doing?
Nothing, just keep your eyes closed. Go!
The only time you're gonna be seen again is in reruns.
That's right. Take him out, Team Darkstar! Destroy him! Destroy his family! Make him cry into his next life! Yeah!
I've never seen that before. Ladies and gentlemen, Juanita has eaten the cameraman. Oh, this is great. Darkstar is toast. I might as well put my head between my legs and kiss my ankles goodbye.
It's over, Vox.
No, but it will be soon.
Destruct sequence initiated. 60 seconds until battledome detonation.
The escape shuttles all left long ago. Now we'll both die together on live holovision. It'll be the best ratings I've ever had.
Even if I don't make it out of here alive, at least a lot of other heroes escape tonight.
Enjoy your pathetic idealism. For the last few seconds of your life.
Get in, Ratchet. There is no time remaining.
Just a sec.